Spelman College, originally founded in 1881 by two white female missionaries as the Atlanta Baptist Female Theological Seminary, was created to empower formerly enslaved African American women through education. Later supported by the Rockefeller family, it grew into a symbol of progress, activism, and leadership, particularly during the civil rights movement when students actively joined protests. Today, it stands as an internationally respected institution championing African American women's empowerment and educational excellence. In tribute to this enduring legacy, Nike is set to release a special Air Max 95 in 2025, priced at $200. The sneaker design celebrates Spelman's heritage. A blue jaguar print nods to the mascot, the phrase "Thy name we praise" honors the school song, and both the founding year 1881 and the bold S logo are prominently featured. Every detail of the shoe reflects the college's 140-year journey of resilience, pride, and empowerment.